Ever thought the time of day could influence the severity of malaria symptoms? Groundbreaking research from McGill University and its affiliates suggests just that. Researchers found that when mice are infected with the parasites causing cerebral malaria in the middle of the night, their symptoms are less severe compared to those infected during the day. Interestingly, the spread of the parasites within the hosts is also more limited at night. This discovery could revolutionize how we treat not just malaria, but other parasitic diseases as well. Malaria is a mosquito-borne infectious disease affecting hundreds of millions globally, killing over 500,000 people each year, most of them children. Cerebral malaria is its deadliest form. By aligning medication with our circadian rhythms, we might improve treatment outcomes significantly. But what are circadian rhythms? These are physiological and behavioral cycles about 24 hours long, matching Earth's rotation, and persist even without environmental cues. They're regulated by a master clock in the brain and clocks in most organs and cells. We explored how the circadian rhythms of both the host and the malaria parasite interact to affect the severity of the disease, and the host's ability to fight off the parasite, explains Priscilla Carvalho Cabral, a recent McGill PhD graduate. Nicholas Sarmakian, director of the Laboratory of Molecular Chronobiology, adds, "The difference in a host's response to infection depending on the time of day suggests that their circadian rhythms could be influencing the progression of the disease. This interaction between immune clocks and malaria has never been studied this deeply before. Many bodily functions, including those of parasites and their animal hosts, are under circadian control." It's known that the replication of malaria parasites inside red blood cells follows a daily rhythm. Previous work by the same team showed that another serious parasitic disease, leishmaniasis, is affected by host clocks. The time of infection influences the replication of the parasite and the immune response to it. In their new studies, the same was found true for cerebral malaria. "Our results represent an important advance in knowledge," says Martin Olivier, director of the Laboratory for the Study of Host-Parasite Interaction. "Many mechanisms driving the rhythms in susceptibility to diseases, especially parasitic ones, remain largely unknown. This insight opens the door to new treatment strategies, potentially saving countless lives by aligning medical intervention with our natural biological rhythms." So the next time you think about malaria, consider the time of day. It might make all the difference. Thanks for listening. Stay informed and stay healthy.